Hello there, this is Christie Lewis at the Lakeport branch of the Lake County Library, and today I'm here with a Christmas cozy book haul, and I wanted to talk a little bit about this subgenre of cozy mysteries. Wikipedia defines cozy mysteries as a subgenre of crime fiction in which sex and violence often occur offstage. The detective is an amateur sleuth, and the crime and detection take place in a small, socially intimate community. Cozies thus stand in stark contrast to hard-boiled crime fiction. In order to research this list of cozy mysteries for you, I used a tool that is also available to you called Novelist. You can find it on the library's website. It'll help you find books that are similar to ones that you have enjoyed in the past. It might actually help you find a subgenre of publishing that you were not aware existed. In this case, I used the starred review function on Novelist to make sure that to find a few of these titles in order to find some of the most popular Christmas cozies out there for you. Let's get started with some of the brand new books that Amy has not even put into the system yet. First, we have Silent Bite, an Andy Carpenter mystery by David Rosenfelt. He's the best-selling author of Dashing Through the Snow. This mystery series has a lot of praise, several starred reviews, and if you like your cozy mysteries to come with the focus on pet friends, then this might be the one for you. That is another common feature of the cozy subgenre. In this book, the lawyer Andy Carpenter has been forced onto a Caribbean cruise by his wife, Lori, to get him into the Christmas spirit, but the boat has not even docked yet when he starts getting calls from his partner back at the rescue organization where he works that all is not right. What is he going to have to sort out after this forced vacation? Find out by picking up a copy of Silent Bite. This was published in 2020 by Minotaur Books, and it is available on ebook and audiobook for free on the library website, which is linked down below. Next, we have A Christmas Resolution by Anne Perry. Again, with the praise on the back, there's multiple starred reviews for the Christmas novels of Anne Perry. Apparently, she has published more than one. In fact, publishes one every year. Whoa. This cover looks like it was painted by Thomas Kincaid. This wickedly tangled mystery is headed by the detective John Hooper and his new wife Celia. Their friend Clementine is going to be married to a fellow member of the church, Seth Marlowe. But when Marlowe starts getting threatening letters about his last wife's death, John Hooper must investigate to find out the truth of what happened, and if Clementine is safe marrying this guy. A Christmas Resolution was published in 2020 by Ballantine Books, and it is available in ebook and audiobook for free through the library catalog. Next, we have The Christmas Cupcake Murder by Joanne Fluke. It is a Hannah Swenson holiday mystery with recipes. Look at the little cupcakes on the stand. The Christmas Cupcake Murder is part of a series that started with Chocolate Chip Cookie Murder and premiered as Murder She Baked, a chocolate chip cookie mystery on the Hallmark Movies and Mysteries channel. So the series has an adaptation. Adaptation potential, guys, is always fun. In this particular mystery, set at Lake Eden, Hannah Swenson is speeding through a holiday checklist of baking. Drama swirls around her as all of her friends have secrets and all kinds of life crises going on, but she's focused on this checklist until a John Doe is found barely alive 2 storefronts down from her bakery. He doesn't remember anything about himself, and Hannah is forced to solve a deadly puzzle surrounding his mysterious appearance. And there's over a dozen recipes in here, which kind of sounds fun. There's a picture of the author on the back, like baking, like that looks hard. I couldn't do that, can you? The Christmas Cupcake Murder is available on ebook and audiobook for free through the library catalog. It was published in 2020 by Kensington Publishing Group. Next, we have The 12 Clues of Christmas, a Royal Spyness mystery by Rhys Bowen. Like the other two, this is part of a long-running series with many starred reviews and much praise. And I gotta say, I like the covers. I've seen these before and I've never picked them up, but the covers always make me want to. The 12 Clues of Christmas is about Her Royal Spyness, Lady Georgina Rannoch, who is 35th in line for the throne. While her true love is off spending Christmas in South America, she is snowed in at Castle Rannoch with her bumbling brother Binky. Is this starting to sound like a P.G. Wodehouse novel to you? Because it kind of does to me. Happily, she lands a gig as a hostess at a posh holiday party in the Dickensian village of Tiddleton. Unfortunately, people start dropping dead, and of course Lady Georgiana is going to have to solve that particular mystery. The 12 Clues of Christmas is available on ebook for free from the library catalog. It seems to be written in first person. Intriguing. This was published in 2012 by Berkeley Publishing Group. Next, we have A Cajun Christmas Killing by Ellen Byron, a Cajun country mystery. So, yet another series. As you've probably noticed, one of the good things about the cozy mystery genre is that authors are often prolific and they come in series about your favorite characters, so you always have something new to read once you've gotten into this genre. Maggie Krozak is our heroine detective in this book. She's back in Bayou Country for the most magical time of the year, and in Pelican, Louisiana, Christmas time is a season of giant bonfires on the levee and big pots of gumbo. That really does sound magical. If you've never had Louisiana gumbo, you're missing out. But somebody starts flooding the travel review websites with vicious reviews, and when Maggie thinks she has the culprit pinned down, her suspect turns up dead, and guess what? She's now the top suspect. Yikes. A Cajun Christmas Killing was published in 2017, and it is available on ebook and audiobook for free through the library catalog. Next, we have I'll Be Home for Christmas, a Meg Langslow mystery series by Donna Andrews. Oh, and we have another book by Donna Andrews, How the Finch Stole Christmas. We seem to have another mystery series here, folks. How the Finch Stole Christmas is from 2017. I'll Be Home for Christmas is from 2019. So let's go with the newer book, but just keep in mind this copy is available and currently checked in at the Lakeport Library. Ah yes, Donna Andrews is a New York Times bestselling author. It is the 26th book in the Meg Langslow mystery series and the 6th Christmas book. In this book, Meg Langslow and her grandfather take center stage, hosting a scientific conference on owls at, I don't know how you pronounce it, Inn. Most of the family is there, contributing their knowledge on birds, including grandmother. An unexpectedly severe snowstorm traps everybody inside the inn, and one of the ornithologists turns up dead. Grandfather wants this mystery solved before everybody is released by the snowstorm and scatters to their various home continents. It's starting to look like no one's gonna make it home for Christmas until Meg comes to the rescue. I'll Be Home for Christmas is available on ebook and audiobook for free through the library catalog. Next, we have The Christmas Card Murder by Leslie Meier. This is another brand new one published in 2020. This is actually a collection of 3 holiday-themed novellas. The titular mystery starts when an old Christmas card is found with a nasty message written inside, which sends the investigator Lucy Stone into investigating a decades-old murder. And next, of course, we have to have an Agatha Christie book, Hercule Poirot's Christmas. On the night before Christmas, cruel, tyrannical, and filthy rich Simon Lee is found in his locked bedroom with his throat cut. It seems like everybody in the family had a reason to hate this old man, so who actually murdered him? Obviously, Poirot has to solve this chilling murder before more throats are cut. That sounds like fun. I like Poirot mysteries. It looks like there's actually an adaptation as well to this story that is available through the Lakeport Library if you order it down below with the catalog. Hercule Poirot's Christmas is available as an ebook and as an audiobook. Next, we have Shakespeare's Christmas by Charlaine Harris. This was published in 2018 by Minotaur Books. It is a Lily Bard mystery set in Arkansas. While attending her sister's wedding, the cleaning lady and karate expert Lily Bard of Arkansas investigates an unsolved kidnapping, which occurred 8 years earlier. It seems that both the kidnapped and the kidnapper are in town. And that is it for the Christmas Cozies mystery. I hope you really enjoyed hearing about these mysteries, and if any of them do sound good, go ahead and use the catalog down below to order them. Thank you so much for watching. If you have suggestions for videos, or you have any favorite Christmas books, let us know down below in the comments. Have a very safe and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye!